Gentlemen are talking, and the midnight moon is on the riverside. They're drinking up and walking, and it is time for me to slide. I live in another world where life and death are memorized, where the earth is strung with lovers' pearls, and all I see are dark eyes. A cock is crowing far away, and another soldier's deep in prayer. Some mother's child has gone astray, and she can't find him anywhere. I can hear another drum beating for the dead that rise, whom nature's beast fears as they come, and all I see are dark eyes. They tell me to be discreet for all intended purposes. They tell me revenge is sweet, from where they stand I'm sure it is. I feel nothing for their game where beauty goes unrecognized. All I feel is heat and flame, and all I see are dark eyes. The French girl, she's in paradise, and a drunken man is at the wheel. Hunger pays a heavy price with a falling guard of speed and steel. Time is short and the days are sweet, and passion rules the arrow that flies. Million faces at my feet, and all I see are dark eyes.